To change the currency on the Bitcoin.com wallet app, start by opening the app on your mobile device. Tap on the settings icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear, located at the top left or right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, scroll down and select the display options or currency settings. This section may vary depending on the app version, but it is typically found under General Settings or Display Preferences. Once you are in the display options, look for the Currency or Units section. Here you will find a list of available currencies, including fiat currencies like US dollars, euros, or yen, as well as cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash. Select the currency you wish to use from the list. The app will then update the display to reflect the chosen currency. This means that all balances, transaction amounts, and prices will be shown in the new currency. It is essential to note that changing the currency on the Bitcoin.com wallet app does not affect the actual value of your cryptocurrencies. It merely changes the way the values are displayed to you. To verify that the currency has been changed, go back to the main wallet screen and check the balances and transaction history. The amounts should now be displayed in the newly selected currency. As a best practice, it is recommended to familiarize yourself with the app's settings and options to get the most out of your Bitcoin.com wallet app experience. Additionally, always keep your app and device software up to date to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. By following these steps, you can easily change the currency on your Bitcoin.com wallet app and customize the display to suit your needs. This feature is particularly useful for users who frequently deal with multiple currencies or need to track the value of their cryptocurrencies in different fiat currencies.